In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a verified merchant on Binance's peer-to-peer platform and walk you through everything you need to know about the ordinary and verified merchant statuses. Let's dive right in and explore what it means to be a verified merchant on Binance P2P. When you're a verified merchant, your profile features a distinct yellow badge, providing an instant boost to your credibility and trustworthiness within the community. This designation often comes with a host of benefits, including lower fees, better visibility for your ads, quicker access to customer support, and, at times, higher trading and advertisement limits. Essentially, having this status indicates that you've successfully passed advanced verification checks and maintain a strong transaction history coupled with a high success rate. As for ordinary merchants, these are users who engage in P2P trading, but may not have completed the necessary steps to achieve verified merchant status. They continue to operate without the additional perks and recognition that comes with verification. Now, let's take a closer look at how you can apply for verified merchant status on Binance P2P. Begin by logging into your Binance account, whether through the mobile app or web interface. Navigate to the P2P trading section and look for the P2P User Center. Once there, you should be able to find a button or link inviting you to become a merchant or apply to be a merchant. The application process necessitates completing certain verification steps. You'll need to undergo a Know Your Customer or KYC identity check, provide proof of address, and complete phone, SMS, and email authentication. In some cases, facial recognition or video verification might also be required. Additionally, you may be asked to provide transaction history as evidence of your P2P trading experience and performance. Once you've submitted your application, it's time to wait for Binance's review. If you meet all the qualifications, you'll receive your verified merchant badge. For those of you interested in accepting crypto payments via Binance Pay for business purposes, the application process is slightly different and leans more towards a business setup. Here's how you can start. First, you'll need to have a Binance entity or corporate account if you plan on operating as a business. Navigate to Binance's support or merchant portal and opt to register for Binance Pay merchant services. You'll be required to fill out detailed business information. This could be as a direct merchant for your own store or as a channel partner technical service provider. Then, proceed with entity verification, which involves submitting a variety of documents, including company registration certificates, proof of ownership, beneficial owner information, and identity documents for any directors. The final step involves signing the merchant agreement with Binance. After completing the verification process, you'll be granted access to the merchant management platform. From here, you can manage payments, withdrawals, and various roles needed for your merchant operations.